Look at this! Swedish-style meatballs, slow cooked with potatoes and carrots in a rich, cozy stew. It's warm, comforting, and made with just a few simple ingredients.
Hi, and welcome to Ozzy's Home Cooking. Let's get started.
We're starting with the meatballs. Tear up 1 slice of bread and soak it in about 1/3 cup of milk. This makes them soft and juicy. Now we mix in 500 grams of mince. I'm using beef, but you can also use lamb or pork mince if you like. Add 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it well until everything is well combined. Have a look at the texture. It should be soft and just a little sticky. Then we shape the meat into round balls, just like this. This amount of ingredients will make about 20 meatballs. Now we need to pre-cook the meatballs on medium to low heat for about 7 to 10 minutes. Use any oil you prefer. This step is not only for flavor, it's also for food safety. When raw meat stays too long between 5 and 60 degrees Celsius, bacteria can grow fast. So browning helps bring the meat out of that danger zone before slow cooking. Next, let's prepare the vegetables. We're adding 1 big chopped onion, 4 small chopped carrots, and 3 medium potatoes. First the onion, then the carrots. This is how thick I cut them. And finally the potatoes, chopped into cubes. Now add the browned meatballs with their juices on top of the vegetables. Next, pour in a tin of chopped tomatoes. At the side, prepare the stock. In 750 milliliters of hot water, add 1 beef or vegetable stock cube, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir well, then pour it into the slow cooker until the water just covers the vegetables. Sprinkle a little thyme on top and close the lid. Now we let the slow cooker do its magic. Cook on low for 6 to 7 hours, on medium for 5, or on high for about 4 hours. I check the vegetables with a fork to see if they're soft. If they are, it's ready. But before serving, give it a gentle stir and let it rest for 10 more minutes if you have time. And there you have it, soft meatballs, tender veggies, and a warm, flavorful stew. So satisfying. Enjoy! Let me know if you try it. And tell me where you're watching from. Which city or country? I'd love to know. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and hit subscribe. And I'll see you next time with more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching.